Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having amazing days, guys. Back again with a car related video for you guys. So in this video I'll be talking about this PCV valve and how it has caused so much trouble in the last 3 weeks. Not only it caused my car to start smoking white smoke but also black smoke when I was giving some gas. Also my car became very sluggish and also it was consuming so much gas. So basically, long story short, the car in front of you guys is a Daihatsu Terios. It comes with a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. It's a Toyota engine, and basically this car is very uncommon, so that's where it's very hard to get some information about this car. So basically I was on a road trip, and when I was about to leave, I saw a cloud of white smoke coming from the back of my car when my car was idling. So I was certain this isn't the smoke caused by an head gasket leak because I could really smell oil burning. First I got really scared, maybe it's the piston rings, which are so much hassle to replace and which are going to cost you so much money. But after doing some research, I ended up knowing about this PCV valve, which stands for like the positive crankcase ventilation system. To be honest, I know nothing about this valve before. I did my research after I had this problem with my car. So basically what this valve really does is it when the fuel is burned inside your engine, it produces some waste gases. Now most of the gases are vented through the exhaust system, but some of these gases push their way past the pistons into the crankcase. Now these are also called as blow-by, and they can really cause a problem to produce like sludge with the oil. Also it can cause your car seals to become weak, and this is something I faced because not only my valve gasket was leaking but also the main seal that sits between the engine and the transmission also started leaking. So after reading on some forums, I heard that it could be a reason of PCV valve. So basically this PCV valve sucks out all the gases using the vacuum from the intake manifold, and along with some fresh air it puts them back into the engine. In short words, it recycles those gases. So basically this valve sits on top of your valve cover. On some cars it's located on the sides, but you can just write the name of your car on YouTube and just write PCV valve. So basically in order to check it, all you have to do is just remove it from your engine and just try to shake it. If you can really hear something shaking inside like metal, then it means it's working perfectly. But if you're like me, you couldn't hear anything shaking, that means this valve has gone bad. And this isn't very costly to change because it only cost me like about $10. Like finding this valve for my car was really hard because the parts of this Daihatsu Terios isn't really available, but it was about $10, maybe like $8, something like that. But after replacing this valve, I didn't had any problem after that because not only my car was running so much better, but I really did saw an increase in the fuel average also. And I did read about the life of this valve. This doesn't have any certain amount of life. It could go bad at any time, but what you can really do is you can try to clean this valve. If your valve is working perfectly, make sure there is no oil sludge and the valve is clean. You can use some like throttle body cleaner or something like that. I'm going to link some other videos which were quite helpful to me because I'm not a mechanic myself. I just like to do DIY job on my car, and basically I would like to really share this knowledge because the car which I'm having, I know so many people are going to be facing this problem with this car. So because I had this information, I really wanted to share it out and help someone out who is having maybe the similar kind of problem, because this little pesky PCV valve can cause so many troubles. I was really amazed because a small little valve can cause this much to go wrong with your engine. So anyways, if you like the video, make sure you give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing or become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.